That was right. Wow. Wax on or wax off, man. That was really obvious when I got right into my hip. Like, that was as at the same time as it could have been. Sounds like the place I would want to be. Ooh, it was right as I got into my hip. That was very obvious. Woo! Third video now where, like, getting deep into my right hip, you see some crazy lightning like that. Same time. Ooh. That was very at the same time as well. To like try to get me to feel comfortable and all while lying to me? I don't know. And again, right when I get into the hip, kind of stuff you'd have to observe, and then you'd also have to like I try to also like tense my quads and like engage, and so it feels like all the muscle groups at my knee. Woo! That looked crazy. I mean, I was in it, but not as intensely as I could have been. But I still, like, that was still really loading in my hip. But it feels like when I was doing this, it really feels like at my knee, it's like I'm like opening it up or something. Yes, exactly. That's exactly why. That was incredible. Oh. I mean, this is nuts. I'm a little more surprised more water's not coming in, but it's flowing more that way, which is why. But there's still hail in it. Ooh, I just got deep and you saw that. Like, it's not just that it's a lightning storm. You know, there is an element of interaction like that, you know? Honestly, like I've said, it's pretty annoying to me that Christians are focused on uh, like whatever other people are doing instead of like, hey, you need to create a system where if I want a virgin wife and I'm a Christian male, if I can't find that, that's a problem. It's like one of those things that would prevent, you know, faith from being like, it just makes it harder to believe if you know, your wife has fucked somebody else before you. That's like, you know, difficult to think about. So welcome to my reality all the time. For everybody. Partially, like, there's not just constant lightning now, though I think you could probably see some good examples of what I was talking about earlier, but like Bulgarian split squats have been really though helpful to like build the strength as I can like, you know, really like develop doing, and as I'm like getting more into it, I'm like torquing it open. I'm gonna be able to see if this is what's going on. But when I do something like I press in like this, well, I can see that right there. But I explained maybe why. But um, the more Yahweh like makes it obvious, like you should not do that. My dad called me a skippy. Anything really from here, but like you see me do something and then you instantly see it on the you instantly everybody who's Christian together, and like, you know, Jesus seems to be indicating that he'll like give that authority to the person who conquers at the seven churches. And I'm assuming it's me because I just, you know, obviously, but also just because I'm like seeing right on top of the